you made a design a long time ago. You found the image and you're like, oh, I really love this design. I wish that I could change the words on this design, and I don't want to recreate this whole design. Let's go to Canva and I'll show you what to do. This one is a social media post. We're going to go for a square post, Instagram. And the reason why I'm doing this is because this could be used for your YouTube community tab, but it also could be used anywhere where you need a square sized image. I'm just going to go to uploads, but just in case you haven't uploaded it into your account, all you need to do is click upload file or click the three dots and you can upload it from Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, or Dropbox. There may even be options later on that aren't that. I remember when I created this design, I absolutely loved it, but it was a touch difficult. It involved a lot of layers. I bet I could recreate it now and it not be so difficult with magic grab and things like that. But I really love the way that this image looks and I want to change the quote. Click on edit. This is going to open up the right hand panel. What we want is in Magic Studio, it's called grab text. So let's slide over and select grab text. You're going to notice that this bar covers up the image and it might actually cover up one or two of the things that I would like to grab. So I'm going to solve that problem by clicking this little button right here. When I hover over it, it says scroll view. So I'm going to click it to turn it into scroll view. And now I can see every piece of text within my image. Even tried to pull up the 3G within the image itself, but I think I would like for Leap over live stream and the creator classroom so that they turn into the same font and size. We're going to grab this. Take a sip of water. That went really, really quickly. It did change the size a little bit, but I can make adjustments to that very easily. Now, what if I decided that yellow isn't my favorite and I would like to change that a little bit? What can I do? We're going to go up to edit, go to adjust, scroll down. We're going to click on the yellow because that's what I want to change, and then change the hue. I like that a lot. So it changed the hue of the side and one of the colors in the background. I love it. So now I have a brand new post that I can share on my YouTube community tab. Let me show you how that's done. We're going to click share, download. We're going to download this. You go to your channel, go to the community tab, and we're going to click on image and we can select that image right here and even write a little message. Okay. And then I'm just going to write photo ID. So now I've got a photo ID for those that are using a screen reader to read their images. By the way, you can click the down arrow and schedule a post as well, but we're just going to click post. There are so many features that you can use for images that you probably aren't using. Watch this next, and I'll see you next time. Bye.